Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to allow people to share your post on their Instagram stories. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into your Instagram account. Once you're there, you click on this three horizontal line, after which you click on what? Settings. After that, you simply need to click on what? Policy. Once you're there, you click on story. After that, you scroll down and you are going to see allow resharing to story. So you simply need to enable this. After enabling this, now people will be able to share your post on their Instagram stories. Thank you guys for watching. If you face any difficulty doing this, don't forget to hit your to leave your comments in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.